Review the application for community supervision with your attorney.
Yes, I
Did you
did.
understand it and sign it?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, I did. Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
Court is calling 2025 CR 005300, State versus Albert Estrada. Can I have parties announced?
Rick Pena for the state of Texas.
George Schaefer for defendant, Your Honor.
All right, and is-
For the court reporter and the judge to hear you, okay?
And is this an application?
No. I'm sorry, it is, Your Honor.
All right, probation, this is an application. It's Albert Estrada. Are you Mr. Estrada?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review with your client? Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Estrada, did you review the application for community supervision with your attorney?
Yes, I
Did you
did.
understand it and sign it?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, we will waiving the repeat offender enhancement.
We have no objection to the state's waiver of that.
All right, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged by indictment with failure to comply with registration as a third-degree felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison
Yes, Your
and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent. Off the record for a moment. Deputy Laura, the person in the t-shirt, how old are they? Okay. How old are you?
Or a white t-shirt. How old are you, sir? Yeah, I just didn't have them all.
All right, we're back on the record. Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, I do.
All right, off the record. How old is this person here in this black t-shirt? Yeah, show him your ID. All right, we're back on the record. Did you understand by entering this plea, you're giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
He is, Your Honor. Yes, sir.
Mr. Estrada, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No,
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
no.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, sir.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 4 years in the prison. There's a $1,500 fine. State recommends community supervision. They're taking in consideration 2025 CR 005376, and there should be Chapter 62 compliance. Did you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand that to be the plea?
Good, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, are there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, they're requesting that your community service be for a term of 4 years, 100 hours of community service restitution, NIC evaluation, follow all recommendations, DDRF, TAP evaluation, and follow all recommendations. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, I understand.
All right, so what I can tell both parties based upon what he's going to be on probation for, if I follow this agreement, there's no community service hours for him. They're not going to find a place.
Okay.
The other thing, probation, is he able to do DDRF based upon his offense? Okay. I don't know if they'll accept him. So
No,
I-
Brett.
All right, so he's not able to do that. And he won't be on the mid caseload, will he?
No, it'll be on someone's list.
All right,
We
so
could
obviously
make an
there's some,
amendment to remove those and put on the zone, please.
oh, I mean, what do y'all want to put down? Because what I can do is, what I can tell you based upon what's outside the recommendations, it appears that there's some mental health issues or something else that's going on. So I can ask for a referral to Center for Healthcare Services, but he doesn't meet the criteria for probation.
I think that, and then the specialty
Yes.
supervision would be the best thing.
All right. So you understand that you don't qualify for DDRF or the mid caseload. They're going to have you on a special caseload, and I'll do a referral for Center for Healthcare Services, and they'll address any type of mental health issues there are. That's all I can do. There's no other placement for me to put you. Do you understand?
No,
All right. So your attorney wants you placed on the mental health caseload.
no,
And he wants you placed on that caseload because obviously he's determined that there are some mental health issues that are at play here. Maybe you've been previously diagnosed with bipolar schizophrenia or something of that nature. So he wanted you to get help through that program. That program is not available for you due to the nature of your offense. Then he wanted you to be considered for DDRF, which again is associated with persons who have mental health issues. But based upon your charges,
and I have Dr. Mary Jo Rodriguez. I don't know if you know her.
yes, that's why I'm saying you're going to be referred to Center for Healthcare Services. That's what I'm saying. Instead of that, because you don't qualify.
Okay, well, she's the one that wanted me to go out there too, because she can continue on.
You don't qualify for that. And when I say you don't qualify for that, I can't order it. And probation, if I were to order it, probation can't follow through on that because you don't meet the criteria to be placed there. Because sometimes when people are charged with violent offenses or certain offenses, then according to the government funding source, you're not allowed to have violent offense as a part of the program. I'm not saying your offense that you're seeking probation for today is a violent offense, but the underlying reason for your having that registration, that is why you're not eligible for DDRF or the MIC program. So your attorney feels that you have mental health issues. So we're just going to have to find another placement, and we're going to do that. Okay. All right. Then to the offense as charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor, at this time, state orders into evidence, State's Exhibit 1 with all attachments.
No objections, Your Honor.
All right, State 2 may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments. The court has reviewed the same. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
I'd like to say this, Your Honor. For many, many years, he has reported annually as required to. Last year, he had witnessed his brother shooting himself, and he was depressed over it. I've explained to him that depression is not a defense to these offenses, but I wanted you to be aware of that.
I take full responsibility, but I let my depression get the best of me on that. So it caused me to isolate myself and seclude myself from civilization, and basically put myself in a dark hole. And just recently coming back in the narrative, I found exercises to help me deal with the depression.
Okay.
And because it's an experience that I would want to wish nobody with it. You know what I'm saying? after what I witnessed. I could have easily gone back to prison for 20 more years than what I witnessed, you know. And then on top of all that, just when I was coming back up, my mom died the same way. In my arms, same room, same house. So the reason I got myself into the trouble is because my dad and my older brother felt like that they needed to sell the house. Which I was the only one that was fighting it because
Nice.
I didn't want to lose their memory. But I've been on this program for 25 years, never missed, always done what I do. But like I said, it was something new to me that, you know, after witnessing him take his life in front of me, it's kind of like this, I lost myself. Like I said, I'm going to take full responsibility for that. I know what happened with him, but I let my depression get the best of me. So I just want to try to go back and just.
I want the court to be aware of that.
All right, thank you for letting me know. All right, so I'm finding you guilty. The court is going to sentence you to 4 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 3 years, $1,500 fine, probated. You're going to be registered by the Special Offenders Unit, supervised by the Special Offenders Unit. There's going to be regular reporting, regular random UAs, a referral for Center for Healthcare Services, TAP evaluation out of custody, follow recommendations. There's to be no residing with minors in Chapter 62 registration. Probation, is there anything else? All right, I'm so sorry. Are you employed? Were you employed before
I
you?
was employed, but like I said, I kind of lost my will to live, and then, like I said, it's just.
All right, so this is what I'm going to do because I know it's hard for you to find employment. Proof of employment within 60 days of release. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
It's,
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, good luck to you. And if for some reason things don't work out with your getting in touch with Center for Healthcare Services.
No, I have this time around, I have a lot of resources that I would refer to, and I have a lot of people that are trying to help me out.
Oh, well, if you need anything, we're here. Let your probation officer know. If you feel as though they're not addressing it, you can always come back to court and speak to me about it, okay?
I appreciate that, Miss.
All right, good luck to you. I'm sorry all of that happened to you.
I'm sorry. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.